Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So nothing really going on at the moment. We're still very much sort of just treading water here, and right here on this level that we've been battling with most of last year at 15,840. Not an exact science, but you can see there's quite a bit of structure, a little bit higher, a little bit lower. But that's kind of the view, the short-term view that I've got at the moment. Sorry, I just want to bring it up onto these two tails here. Get us a better view. 15,800 round number. So 15,800 is the area that we need to pay attention to. Then obviously we're looking at 1,600 as well, which is another area we need to pay attention to. So we do have this gap, which is still open. We've had a crossover of our oscillators, and they are pointing to the downside on the 3-hour. So yeah, we're in an uptrend. That's indicated by the 155 EMA here for me. So definitely an uptrend. It's a messy uptrend, and I don't like the view of what we have here. But we are treading water. The Dow is treading water, and we are following the Dow at the moment. So that's kind of the view that we have on the macro time frames. At the moment, when we drill down to the hour, I said to you yesterday, not worth trading because this was looking like a triangle. It was a triangle. We did get a sort of a fake out. There's the triangle. And what I also said to you is that price typically comes back to the apex once we break it. So you can see here was a fake out, down, came back to the apex, and we broke it to the upside, and then guess what? It comes right back to the apex again. And all it's done is basically, let me just keep that level in. And so all it's done at the moment is just formed a bit of a range, and we do have a bit of a break of that range at the moment. But for me at the moment, no real diversions or anything like that. We just need to wait and see. This is just drifting. There's no real direction at the moment. We are still drifting. Trend of last year is still continuing sideways, range bound. So this may continue for quite a few months, but we'll have to wait and see what happens, because earnings starts coming out today, and this is where it starts getting interesting. You'll see exactly, whether inflation is increasing at the rate it is in some countries, and whether the virus is impacting economies like the fear is at the moment. So that's what the earnings season is about. But again, as I said in my Dow video, companies don't join a stock market exchange with a view of losing money. They do it to make money, and they make money for their investors and for themselves. And the investors are typically people that have pension funds as well. So, if you're in a stock that is always falling and losing money, there's no ways pension funds are going to invest in that stock, or big investors are going to invest in that stock. So ultimately, I think we need to look at the bigger picture. So we are drifting sideways, but the bigger picture is these markets are designed to go up. So be patient and just wait for value. And as soon as we get value, that's the opportunity to get in. Anyway, enough of that ramble. I'm on the sides on this and the Dow until I start seeing some of the earnings come through later today. Most of the earnings are coming through during the market or just before the market opens. So just pay attention to the earnings at the moment. That should give you a fairly good bit of structure and an idea of which way we're going. Okay, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Not tomorrow morning, Monday morning. Enjoy the weekend. Cheers for now.